Because look, if you're the Ebbies of the world, you're getting all of that information. You can see the value of your brokerage.
Absolutely.
But unfortunately, and this is just how it is, some of the smaller independent brokerages, or maybe even some of the virtual brokerages, it's out of sight, out of mind. And there are legitimate requirements that you have to follow as a member of a brokerage when you're marketing and branding and advertising. Plus, I mean, I can't tell you how many questions we field all the time where we're like, that's a question for your broker. And if I hear who's my broker, we in trouble,
Yeah.
sister.
Absolutely.
We in trouble.
And it's just like as a real estate practitioner, you have the ability to determine what is your business model, right? So some real estate agents are full service and full fees, and other real estate agents are flat
Sure.
fees and minimal services and everything in between.
And everything, all of it has a place.